Hey there, got an old Excel file with a forgotten password? Excel file that's locked up with a password you can't remember, right? Don't sweat it. I've got the ultimate hack to break you free. Take a look at this Excel file. Contains cells that are protected with a password that I forgot, and now I cannot select or change the values. No worries, I've got a trick for you. First, make sure to keep a backup of that file. Since it's an old .xls file, you'll notice the compatibility warning in the file name. Let's update it to a modern format. Head over to the File menu, click on Info, and then hit the Convert button. Just press OK when it asks, and when it prompts you to reopen the file, hit Yes. Boom! No more compatibility mode, and the file is now in XLSX. Now, let's make another copy of the file and get to the fun part. Rename the extension to .zip by pressing F2 on the file. This will let you peek inside the file using WinRAR or 7-zip. Open the Excel folder, then dive into the Worksheets folder where you'll find all your workbook sheets. Extract one of these bad boys and open it in Notepad. Now, search for the word Protect. When you find it, delete everything between those angled brackets. Save and close the file. Drag and drop this XML file back into your zip and keep going with the rest of your sheets. I am fast forwarding this part of the video for you. When you're all done, flip the .zip extension back to XLSX. You're done. Your sheets are now unprotected and ready for editing.